Hello, amazing learners. Have you ever started learning English but felt stuck after a few days or weeks? Do you wonder, why am I doing this? Today, we are going to uncover your why, the real reason you want to learn English, and how to stay motivated every single day. Plus, I'll guide you through a simple shadowing practice technique that makes learning English easier and more fun. So, get ready to transform your English journey from feeling overwhelming to feeling exciting and powerful. Let's dive in. Step one is simple. Find your why. Ask yourself these questions. Do you want to speak English to travel the world? Is your goal to get a better job or promotion? Or do you just love learning new languages? Write your answer down. Your why is your personal motivation, your secret energy source. When learning English gets hard, your why will pull you forward. Keep it in mind every day. Put it on your wall, your phone, or a notebook. Whenever you feel like giving up, read it. Remember, learning English is not just about words or grammar, it's about achieving your dreams. Once you know your why, set small, clear goals. Goals make motivation practical. For example, today I will learn 5 new English words. This week I will practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. This month I will finish 1 simple English story. Small goals create momentum, and when you achieve them, your brain feels proud, giving you energy to continue. It's like a snowball. Small steps turn into big progress. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on consistency. Now, let's talk about shadowing practice. This is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking and listening skills. Shadowing means listening to a sentence or a short audio and repeating it immediately, just like an echo. Here's how to start. Choose a short English audio or podcast. Listen to one sentence carefully. Repeat it exactly the same way, pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Repeat several times. Shadowing helps your brain and mouth work together. You start thinking in English naturally. And remember, the more you practice English motivation, the faster you improve. Motivation comes easier when learning is fun. Here are simple ways to enjoy your English practice. Watch your favorite English movies or series with subtitles. Listen to English songs and sing along. Use language apps or games. Speak with a friend or online community. Even 10-15 minutes every day is better than hours once a week. Make English part of your daily life. When it becomes a habit, motivation is no longer a struggle. It becomes automatic. Every learner faces challenges. You may feel shy, frustrated, or stuck. Here's how to handle it. Celebrate small wins. Every new word is progress. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns differently. Use mistakes as lessons, not failures. Take short breaks to refresh your mind. Remember, motivation is not constant. It fluctuates. That's why your why is so important. It reminds you why you started. Let's do a quick shadowing exercise together. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I am improving step by step. My goals are clear, and I am motivated to succeed. Do it slowly, then faster. Feel the rhythm. This simple practice strengthens both your confidence and your English skills. You now have your why, small goals, daily habit tips, and shadowing practice. Remember, motivation grows when you act, not just when you plan. Keep practicing, stay patient, and celebrate your progress. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share your English journey in the comments below. I would love to hear your why. See you in the next episode.